Today we will start with the third method of depreciation, that is sum of year digit method. See here what happens, as the name itself suggests, that sum of years digit, which means every equipment or every instrument has its useful life. That is nothing but whatever the value, whatever the amount, whatever the income, income the equipment is giving over its investment, that is nothing but useful life. Above this useful, for this useful life, we have some value that is considered it has 8 years of useful life. Then that is nothing but up to 8 years. That is from first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, seventh, eighth, ninth. Sorry, ninth, not ninth, up to 8th year. Right. We are summing this year digits. Means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. We are not 9, no? Up to 8 years plus 8. Okay. So total it is 36. This is nothing but sum of years digit. Okay. What happens here? The value, whatever the fixed asset has, it get reduces year by year as the time passes. Right. It see here, it charges the depreciation amount fixed asset higher in the earlier. I will say this with an example afterwards. The depreciation amount keep reducing as the time passes. In this type of depreciation, the sum of year digit means summing up the each digit of depreciation year starting from the ending year of assets useful life. Okay. See how we will calculate this means we have one formula for this, that is depreciation expense is equal to remaining life of a fixed asset divided by sum of year digits fixed asset minus into fixed asset minus residual value, which means, see, I said useful life of an asset is 8 years, right? Now we want depreciation expense. We want depreciation expense for the first year. Suppose consider we want depreciation expense for the first year. Then at the time depreciation for the first year is remaining life for the first year, it is 8 years because it has 8 years of life, right? Then sum of years digit is total 36 into whatever the fixed asset initial investment is there, that is fixed asset cost is there, that cost minus whatever the residual value will get, that residual value you have to write here, then we'll get a depreciation for that particular period. Okay, so here I will give one example here, one simple example. See, sum of year digits, the value of this asset is initially it is 25,000 for the first year. What is happening here? The amount getting reducing, right? This is the depreciation amount. How this will be this calculated? Depreciation expense is nothing but remaining life. Remaining life is 8 years over 36 into whatever the initial investment is there, that is 25,000. What is the residual value they have given? That residual value to write here. Then you will get this 5,556. Okay. We will solve one simple example so that you will come to know that what is sum of year digit method. Okay. We will solve one simple example. See here, the company ABC brought the equipments for the company. The machine expected to last for 8 years, right? With a residual value of $1,000. What is the depreciation expense of each year? They are asking depreciation expense for each year using which method? They were asking using sum of years digit method, right? First you have to note down how many years? Years are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years are, right? Next, what will be your sum of year digits? That is sum of year digits. How much it is now? It is 36. Because why, how it is 36? Sum of year digits are nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. It has 8 years, right? Total 36. Sum of year digits is now 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36, and 36. Now, what is the residual value? Residual value is now $1,000, right? Already given. Residual value is how much? Residual value is $1,000, and cost of this equipment is how much? Cost is $40,000, right? Cost, we know the cost, we know the residual value. Before going to this, what is the remaining life? See here, for the first, the remaining life is still it has 8 more years, right? 8 years, 7 years, 6 years, 5 years, 4 years, 3, 2, 1, right? Now, we have to calculate cost minus residual value. Now, cost minus residual value. Now, what is the cost for this? Cost is how much? Cost is 40,000. Cost is $40,000 minus residual value is $1,000. So cost minus residual value is $39,000, right? This you should write in this column. That is 39,000, 39,000, 39,000, 39,000, 39,000, 39,000, 39,000, 39,000, right? Next, we want depreciation expense. To calculate depreciation expense, what is the formula? Formula we have, that is remaining life over sum of year digits into cost minus residual value, right? To calculate depreciation expense, we have one formula, that is remaining life of an asset divided by sum of year digits into cost minus residual value, right? Now calculate for this. For the first year, depreciation expense for the first year, depreciation expense for the first year, residual remaining life is how much? 8 years. Sum of year digit is 36 into cost is how much? Cost minus residual value for the first is how much? 39,000. Now you get the value as how much? What is the value here? How much you will get? 8,667 rupees, right? How much it is? 8,667 rupees. Like that, calculate for the depreciation value for the second year. How much it is? Cost remaining life is 7. Sum of year digit are 36 minus, sorry, into 39,000. How much you will get here? You will get 7,583. Like that, for the third year, depreciation expense for third year is how much? 6 year remaining life, 36. Why it is 6? Remaining life of an asset is now it is 6. How it is 6? Because remaining life for the third year, that is total 8 years, 2 years completed. Now this is third year, it is remaining life is 6. 6 divided by 36 into cost minus residual value, that is 39,000. So we will get how much for the third year? It is 6,500. Next, for the fourth year, it is 5,417. Next, 4,338. Next, what happens to this? 3250. Next 2167. At last you will get 1087. This is how we have to calculate sum of year digit method depreciation using sum of year digit method. This completes this method.